Yeah man, Nigel with you again. Yeah, so we're there out in the Highlands. Just to put together some cabinets and thing. Seeing? Yeah, I just want to share with you guys real quick. Yeah, see them, man. So we actually demo this kitchen here. We take out everything, all the furniture that was in here. And we take out the tile and everything. We retile the floor. So we finished the tiling yesterday. Grouted. So we're getting ready to put back all the fixtures and the island and everything. So we just put together two just now, first two, and have all of these to put together, plus some more in the back. Alright, so that's what I show you how I go on, alright? Enough respect. Yeah, so we're there here out in the Highlands, you know? We just, as I showed you guys this morning, there was no kitchen cupboard or anything, so we just installed them up here. Me and my brethren, Kenny. Alright, say hi for the camera, Kenny. Yeah, man, enough respect. So, yeah, man, I see the nice cupboard and thing. In Jamaica, we would have to build these from scratch, but we're in America. God bless America. You can just go to the store and buy them and come and install them. In one day, you have a brand new kitchen. Look at that, eh? Amazing. Alright, guys, just wanted to share that with you real quick. Yeah, man. One love, alright? Enough respect.